Welcome to Chakra International. I am Nirmal speaking. This is related to vector analysis of engineering mathematics. Related to GATE, electrical engineering, electronics communication and instrumentation, initial examination, electrical communication engineering, electrical engineering. Before that, we should know what are the fundamentals required for this thing. We should know the dot product, know the cross product. Dot product ax dot ax is equal ay plus ay into ay dot ay az dot az is equal to 1. Ax dot ay dot ax dot az dot ax, ay dot az dot ay is equal to 0. That is the dot product. You should know dot product before doing this calculation. You should know the cross product. Ax cross ay is equal to az, ay cross az is equal to ax, az cross az cross ax is equal to ay. Ax cross ax, ay cross ay, az cross ay is equal to 0. You know this thing, then you can do this problem. The minimum preliminary requirement for starting the vector analysis. Now these questions are based on simple formula. So no need to repeat. I simply tell from which chapter it is coming. This is surface integral from Gauss divergence theorem. Volume integral of a diversion of a vector field taken over any volume is equal to surface integral of a taken over the closed surface. This is the Gauss theorem. Here the problem is the surface integral is there. You have to convert the volume integral, and the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So answer will come 8216. Here the divergence of a vector. The divergence vector is a dot product del dot d vector v is equal to dvx by dx dvy by dy dvz by dz. If you know this thing, put it and at the point 1 1 1, so it will come 15. Before that, I want to tell something because I do not want to repeat at every stage. Scalar fields only position is there is no direction. Vector field only position along the direction. Line integral consists of evaluating along a specified path of the integral of the dot product of the vector and the differential displacement vector tangential to that path. Surface integration is performed over the entire surface is known as surface integral. Volume integral, where any physical quantity like charge, mass of an object is distributed in the volume of the object. Total quantity can be found by taking the volume integral. Volume integral depended by triple integral, surface into a double integral, line into a single integral. Gradient is a vector quantity. Gradient maximum space rate change of any scalar quantity known as gradient. Divergence is a vector field. The net outward flow per unit volume is known as divergence. The divergence of net outward flow by unit volume of any vector quantity known as divergence of the vector quantity. It is known as a dot product. Call of a vector quantity, net circulation per unit area of any vector quantity is known as a call of that vector quantity. It is also known as a cross product. Divergence theorem, volume integral of a divergence a vector field A taken over any volume B is equal to surface integral of a vector A taken over a closed surface. Stokes theorem, the surface integral of a curl of a vector field over an open surface equals to line integral of the vector field over the closed curve bounding the surface area. Then Green's theorem. We talked against theorem at the time of problem. Here one thing, if we call if the divergence is 0, that is not a solenoid. If call is in any vector is 0, it is called irrotational. Here divergence of vector, it is 0, so it is solenoidal. Here call of the vector is 0, it is irrotational. You should know the determinant. Otherwise you cannot do this calculation. You should know the determinant. This is the minimum requirement to do this type of problem. Here A and B is irrotational, so that A vector F cross vector B solenoidal. A vector irrotational means call A 0. Vector B irrotational, call B 0. And here is the, so that AB is solenoid. AB solid, over time it will be solenoid. When the divergence of that vector is 0, it is solenoidal. So here divergence A into B is equal to the formula is there. B vector call A minus A vector call B. So the both are 0, so it is a solenoidal. It is a very for solenoidal vector, so that call vector F is equal to del to the 4 F vector F. There is a simple formula. If you know the formula, you can do it. Call vector F is equal to grad divergence a vector under bracket vector F minus del square vector F. If you know this formula, you can do it. The simple double repeat of the equation. The value of integral of x y dash is a square cut from the first equation by lines 1 0. This is a Green theorem. I am telling what is Green theorem. That's why that time I have not mentioned that thing, because it's a different type of problem. Let R be a closed surface C. Let M and N be a continuous function of x and y having continuous partial derivative in R. Then surface integral M dx over the curve C. M dx plus N dy is equal to double integral dn by dx minus dn by dy is into dx dy. Where C the traverse in the positive direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. So here M is equal to minus y square, N is equal to xy. Other thing very easy, the simple double integral. Answer will come 3 by 2. Even the Stokes theorem. The Stokes theorem, surface integral f into dr is equal to double integral call f into perpendicular to nds. This is I am simply putting the value on the formula. But only one problem, call you determinant is there. If you know the determinant, you can easily calculate, answer will come 0. Using divergence theorem, here is a Gauss theorem, repeat one. Gauss theorem is if you know the Gauss theorem, dfx by dx, dfx by dy, dx. Here the x, y, z, x, dy, z is there. I am simply putting the x, df by dx, that means dx by dx, dy by dy, dz by dz. Simple 1, 1, 1, 3. dx by dy dz, the volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r square. So your answer will be 4 pi r cube. With this, the presentation is complete. If you like, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.